Sydney has not one but many Chinatowns. And for Chinese New Year, I'm going to visit 3 of them. Today, we're starting off in Burwood. So let's get going, eh? Check this place out. All right. What are we starting with?
Probably skewers or that fried chicken over there.
Oh, we get both. Come. All right. What have we got? We got some skewers to start off with. Now, each time I come here, mind you, I come here like every couple of weeks. Love this place. So I'm starting off with skewers. Got some lamb skewers, a whole bunch of skewers. Lamb skewers, lamb ribs, and rice cakes. And it costs me about 20 bucks. And there's, I don't know, 1, 2, 3, about 10. So let's give it a go, eh? What should we start off with? We start with the rice cakes?
100%.
All right, that's pretty. We got some rice cakes. Yeah, you got rice cakes? I've never had rice cakes. My son put me onto these. Let me taste these. So there we go. Oh, and you got choices before. Ooh, we've got choices. Oh, it just touched my tongue. It's burning. You got choices of how hot you want it. I went the mild. So we'll see how we go. Because I think the mild's pretty hot anyway. But rice cake. Oh my God. Oh my God. Yum. Oh, that's so good. It's crunchy on the outside with a mad flavour. Like I think it's Chinese 5 spice over it. And it's nice and gooey on the inside. Who's that mad? Love these. Yum. They're $3 each. Not bad. What do you reckon?
I love them.
You love these, don't you? But they're spicy. So what's next? All right, what do we got? You got ribs.
Yeah.
Find me something to. What are they?
There you go. They're the ribs.
That's the lamb rib.
Yeah.
Is that a bone on there?
Yeah, bro. Lamb rib.
Oh,
Otherwise, you get the classic lamb.
okay. I got the lamb ribs. I actually got a bone. It's a proper rib. So there we go. Oh, yum. These are good. You get 6 of these for about $6.50. It's not bad. Okay. You need about 6 of them to eat. The only problem is you got to pick out the bones. They taste mad, but they're annoying. There you go. Okay. The classic lamb. Look at that. I love lamb. Love lamb. Out of all the meats, it's my favourite. So I give it a classic lamb a go. Oh my God. That's so soft. So soft, succulent. It's like it melts in your mouth. They're good. You want another one of those? These are the best. Not lying, I'm telling you, you come here, you get these skewers. Start off with these. If you like spicy, the normal's just is good enough. I love spicy stuff, and that's my tongue's already burning. If you don't like spicy, then just go no chili. I'll spice it up anyway, but they'll just have no chili in it. So this is mild, but it's good enough for me. Oh yeah. Oh, yum. Yum. Lamb's the best. The best. All right. I'm gonna finish these off. See what I'm getting next. See you soon. Okay, round two. What do we get now? I got some chicken cutlets, and what's this?
It's
a plum tea. What the hell? Anyway, chicken cutlets. Check these out. Look. Look at these bad boys. You get 2 of these for 15 bucks. It's not bad, but we got to see how it tastes. Anyway, give it a go. I reckon it's gonna be hot because he cooked it there and then. All right. Let's give it a go. It's hot. All right, hear the crunch. Listen to this. Oh my God. Pretty good. Crunchy. Fresh. Can't go wrong with fried chicken. Can ya?
No.
That's mad. That's so mad. Oh, so you know, Dante's with me again.
Howdy. I'll drag along for another side quest.
I bring him along everywhere. I like these. Now they're plum tea. Now these things, plum tea, I don't know, it's definitely Chinese. So in the spirit of Chinese New Year, having some plum tea. Oh, that's so good. Tastes like Ribena. This is what I used to eat when I was a kid. This is what I used to drink when I was a kid. It's yum. Seriously, try it. When you come here, get this, mate.
I don't know how you're getting Ribena.
It tastes like Ribena.
Does it?
Yeah, mate. I'm telling you, it tastes like Ribena.
I don't get it, but
I'll tell you one thing though. Whilst I'm eating, the atmosphere of this place is pretty cool. It's like a whole bunch of Asian cities thrown into one little spot. There's a bit of a Hong Kong vibe, there's a bit of a Shanghai vibe, there's a little bit of a Japanese vibe, some Seoul, Korea with their fried chicken. It's pretty cool like that. So when you come, expect a bit of everything. Oh, it's so good. Yum. Also, after walking around, not only are there like there's mad food spots everywhere. Everywhere you go, downstairs, there's upstairs, out on the main road, there's mad restaurants. There's a little bar up here too. So you can sit back, chill, have a few drinks with some friends after dinner. What more do you want? Keep going. Okay, it's dessert time. And what do you hear? Wait. What do I got? My favorite mango pancakes. Now the thing is, my son Dante, has never had these before. He's been missing out all his life, this kid. What kind of a father am I? Anyway, he's going to try it now. So, okay, open it up. Check this thing out. Oh my God. Mango pancakes. I love these things. Let me give it a taste. Oh my God, so good. Mad Aussie mangoes. Don't mind me, I'm trying to do two things at once, holding the camera and eating at the same time. Aussie mangoes, cream, and these beautiful pancakes. What do you reckon? Tell me.
Fuck.
No, what's your language?
How good is that?
They're beautiful, eh? They are so good. Anyway, you gotta get these in your life. Each time I come out, I get skewers and I get these things. I don't get. Where I am at the moment. Yeah, let me tell you. Show you. There's my boy. Chinatown's just down there. Once you walk through, you take a left and you go up, and then you're in a little place called Emerald Square. I think that's what it's called. There's all these restaurants. Oh yeah. Where till my mate goes. Chinatown, brother. Anyway, you take a left, you come to a place called Emerald Square. There's all these mad restaurants. You go upstairs. There's a pool hall. So you gotta give this place a go. Let me finish this.
You having the last one? No.
Yum. You guys, you want the last one? Nah, bro, you have it. It's all yours, son. It's all yours. Enjoy that.
I was more asking to be nice. You won't get it.
One more thing. There's a little shop around the corner that sells Japanese stuff. Like they import like the snacks and drinks from Japan. So whenever I need my little Japanese kick, I'll come here. We'll go for a walk in there. You enjoying that?
Well,
He loves it. Yeah, how good is it? Hey, mango pancakes are the best. Seriously, mango pancakes are just like, they're unbelievable.
I tell you what, they're fragile, but
They're good, eh? You can smash them. This is what I'm going to do. I'm going to go into this little Japanese it's not a convenience store, it's like a little supermarket, but they've got some Japanese goods. I'm going to see if I can get a few things from there for my wife, because I know that there's a certain coffee that she likes from there. Hopefully they got it, so let's go give it a go. Just checking to see if cameras are allowed in here. Oh, what are you looking at me for? Here, look at the goods. I choose these things. You get the premium ones. They're the best. We need those. The melon. I'm getting these. Oh. These things, this drink, when I was in Japan, I was smashing these all the time. Love them. But I'm not getting it now. You drink it when you're doing like 30,000 steps a day, 20,000 steps. You need to replenish, mate, so I'm not doing that these days. Anyway, I'm looking for this coffee. I'm getting this one for her. My wife can drink that tomorrow morning. One thing, you never go home empty-handed. You always gotta go home with some goods to keep the wife happy. Is that chicken wings in a packet? Not doing that. I'm not doing that. So that was Burwood Chinatown. So this is only the beginning. We're heading to Eastwood next week, and then we're going to finish off at Haymarket. And then we'll decide and we'll determine which one has the best vibe. Once again, just wanted to say thank you for watching. Please subscribe, and I will see you next week. Bye.